G'day! In today's video I'm replacing the thermal paste on an MSI RX5700 Mech OC, and this one from memory is going to be very straightforward to do, especially if you've never done one of these before. Use a standard Phillips head screwdriver. I do have isopropyl to clean up the thermal paste. I do have tissues to remove the thermal paste, and I have some replacement thermal paste down here, a pot of GD 900 thermal grease. And that runs pretty well for the price of it as well, and the quantity that's in there is quite large, so I'm very happy with the price of that stuff and the amount that I can get out of a single pot. So with it like that, what I'm hoping I can just simply do is twist it slightly and then lift. There we go. We have some very non-existent thermal paste. I'll just put some isopropyl on here. Then just use the tissue on it to wipe it up. Excellent. So really not much needs to be done there. Over here, so I don't smear too much of it. There's one of these. Here we go. It's easier just taking it off as one single piece and trying to battle many tiny pieces. Go. Use this stuff. Hopefully spill none of it on the board. Stuff is very runny compared to most thermal paste. We'll just give it a bit of a mix in the pot. In reality, I could probably actually use some of my old syringes and just suck this up and spit it out. Probably will do that next actually, when I run out of some Deep Cool Z5 thermal paste. Right now that's heaps on there. So I'm just going to spread it out with the spatula. I do want to make sure I cover all the dye. I do suspect this stuff will be relatively self-leveling, so even if I don't get it there, it will get there. There we go. Aside, spatula aside, thermal paste lid back on, and I didn't even need to disconnect the graphics. So what I just want to simply do now is flip this over and line up the holes. Go. Done. Line that up, put it down. Proceed to put these screws back in once more. I've already given the card a blow with the air compressor, so we'll just give it a wipe over with some Windex to clean it up a little bit more. This back plate is a bit dirty. There we go. Push on. I like to push on here as well, just to make sure there's good contact. And that's pretty much done. Nice and simple. Bye.